Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble all of your monoprints from your gel printing into one cohesive collage that you'll use for your soaring perspective background. Gather up the same size piece of colored construction paper that has one of the colors in your collage background. Cut up strips of your monoprint papers and keep one that is your favorite, the same size. You're going to use that to glue down on your 9x12 construction paper. And then after you glue that down, you're going to use your strips to layer over it in a way that it creates more color interest, texture, and movement. And you want to keep in mind what the color scheme of your sky was originally, and arrange those strips in ways that those colors are going to move around your canvas. You don't have to keep the strips in the same size. You can cut them down to shape. You can lay them down vertically, horizontally, diagonally, however you want to lay it down to where when you're done, you have a big piece that has all kinds of movement, textures, and colors that replicates your vision of your sky for the background of your collage.